Pranam to all. The one who do gardening must know the reason why plants are dying. The main reasons are poor drainage hole, pest attack, and root rot. Previously, I uploaded many videos about this. Natural pesticides play a major role in organic farming as well as natural farming. Last 6 years, my mom is doing gardening and she never used chemical fertilizer, pesticide or any chemical fungicide. I hope that gardening will be now organic so the environment stays happy. So today I will talk about a homemade natural fungicide. The components are easily available in the summer season. Buttermilk spray for plants is a homemade trick that you can use in your garden in a variety of ways. So stay with us to know its best uses and advantages. So first, you need buttermilk. In Hindi, it is called chhach. In Bengali, it is called ghol. Store it in an earthen pot or a plastic container for 2 to 3 days. It helps to make the buttermilk more fermented. After 2 to 3 days in early morning, now we will prepare the buttermilk fungicide. So mix the buttermilk with water. The ratio is 1:4. It means mix 250 ml of buttermilk with 1 liter of water. Shake the solution well prior to application and spray it on the foliage. Some important points to consider while using buttermilk spray. First tip, use sour buttermilk for older and established plants. Always use fresh buttermilk for younger saplings. Second tip, you can reapply buttermilk spray in 10 to 15 days of interval. Tip 3. Some gardeners prefer putting a copper wire in the buttermilk for a couple of hours to make the buttermilk sourer prior to application. But in my opinion, keep the buttermilk in a plastic container or an earthen pot. Keep them for 2 to 3 days. Avoid the uses of copper wire. Thanks to the probiotics, buttermilk works for the garden and potted plant as it protects them from fungal issues and diseases like powdery mildew and blossom end rot. Buttermilk is sprayed majorly on the foliage of the plants to dislodge any fungal infections and insects. It also enriches the plant with some beneficial nutrients. Did you know that buttermilk is a rich source of calcium, nitrogen, and phosphorus? It provides essential nutrients and stimulates better growth. It acts as a nutritious feed and helps produce profound blooms, bigger sized vegetables and fruits. This spray does wonder, especially for rose and curry leaf plants. You can also pour the mixed buttermilk solution on the plant. Do you know that buttermilk as helped to make kitchen waste compost? Add a cup of buttermilk and jaggery water to your compost and give it a good mix. Look, this is the vegetable that we got from our natural rooftop garden. You can also grow vegetable like this from your rooftop garden in an organic way. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.